Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unsocket gems from your equipment in Diablo 4. And to do this, first you need to be in the main city of the first zone, Veshet. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but here you can find the jeweler where I am, right there. Simply talk to him, go for this unsocket option, and here you can click it directly in inventory and select which item you want to unsocket. So for example, let's go for this one, and from here our gem will be removed from the item. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.